Good morning. Thank you to all friends who have attended the event this morning. So, first of all, my name is Taufikul Hakim. Following up on the previous meeting, which determined the type of activity, this morning a final meeting was held to prepare for the free basic for food bazaar. And this morning we will discuss the continuation of the event. The main topic we need to discuss are as follows. The first one is activity price and then type of goods, the amount of goods, price per package, funding, activity date. Alright everyone, first of all, let me discuss about the price. If anyone has an opinion.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Aksandapa. In my opinions, the best place to hold a social service is at Gorwates. I think the place is big and spacious, so that it is possible to implement healthy protocol.
Hello, good morning. Introduce me to Rizky Prayoga Sutrisna. What if it was held at Batas Market?
For a place, I think it is more effective if it is done near the market. This is possible because the location is strategic because around there are visited by many people. Sorry, first introduce me Fatku Rozi.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Muhammad Wasalim. In my opinion, market is an effective place to help this bazaar because there are many merchants there.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Abid. I think car is the right place. There is not wide enough and does not interfere with the highway.
Hello, good morning, everyone. I'm Erlangga. I agree with Abid. There is not weight enough and doesn't interface with the highway.
Hello, good morning everyone. I am Gilang. I think Gorwates is the best place because it is not too crowded, so it doesn't create too much crowd.
Um, all right. So, hi everyone. I'm Mada. So about the place, I'm agree with Faiz. Is uh, about the effective in market is not effective, and I agree with Abid and Gilang that we should have in core. So yeah, I agree with if we help our event in core.
So, hi everyone, I'm Sharif. I agree with Rosie because I think there are people in the market area who need our help.
I also want to have an opinion. Besides that, why it is better at Gorwates at the same time being able to introduce Wenjiwates to the public.
If the two plus raise a lot of pros and cons, is there another place that is more effective? For example, like the city center square.
It is better to hold the bazaar in Gor because the wide area and will not make a traffic jam.
Okay, I think a lot people want to be in the core For the price we decide on the core. Next is the type of item to be distributed. I'm open again for friends who want to give opinions.
I think giving food ingredients is better because there are still many people who need food supplies such as rice, sugar, or instant noodles. Like that.
In my opinion, food needs such as rice, eggs, and oil are more helpful to the community because the price of food needs is increasing. So I agree with Sarif.
I would add that food is also a basic need compared to clothes. The type of food provided must also meet the community's nutrition as mentioned by Sharif and Rosie.
In my opinion, foodstuffs are more suitable in conditions such as rice, egg, milk, and other, so that the food and nutritional needs of the community can be met properly, according to Sharif's opinion.
In my opinion, at this time, staple food are more needed, such as rice, oil, sugar. So I also agree with Sarif.
Yeah, right. What Sharif, Rosie, Gilang, and the other friends say is true. In this condition, I think we more need uh, groceries that are we need it every day, like Erlangga said, such as rice and the other friends said. So I agree with uh, Sharif and the other friends.
It seems we also have to include for other needs, such as toothpaste, bath soap, shampoo. We can also open donation from other people who want to give clothes that are suitable for use to be donated.
I agree with Rizky because many of them do not have a decent life due to low income. With the assistance, it is hoped that the lower class will get a decent life, not only meet primarily needs such as basic necessities, but can also meet secondary needs.
What if possible in terms of cost we provide both? Because these two needs are really needed by everyone.
I think it's better if one type of need is provided because if both the cost need I will be more. Besides that the fund we have also not much. We will also find it difficult to meet the stock of food because we are not focused on just one of them.
I will make a conclusion from this discussion. We will share basic needs and decent costs, right?
Well, judging from the opinion of all you who agree with the food ingredients with the item that have been mentioned earlier, in that case, we agree to distribute the groceries. Next is the number of items to be distributed. This friend if anyone has an opinion about the number.
Because the population in Wates is not too much, I recommend that of packet is 1,000 packet. But if we get more funds later, we can increase the amount.
Yes, I think 1000 patch are enough because later if 1500 the fund page will be more and we can use and fund for other activity.
Yeah, right. 1000 package is, I think, is enough. And what Rosie says is true. If we get more funds, we can increase the amount. But so for the package, it's conditional, right? But but the target is 1000.
Yeah, I think 1000 patches are enough, and I agree with Rizky if 1500 patches will be more.
It's true what Rizky said. 1000 packets are more than enough to help people in need.
For the amount given, I think 1500 packets is better because more people get it and are helped by this bazaar.
I agree with Gilang. For giving social service to 1,500 people. It can be arranged with various time seasons. This is so that there is not time to guess and the time needs to get on is only a short time.
I also agree with Gilang because with more packages we can help more people.
But the more the number of the pages given, the less the content of each package. So maybe 1000 is better.
Yes, I think the number of packet doesn't need to be too much. The important thing is that the people who get the packet are right on target. Namely, people who really needed it.
I think 1000 packs is enough, neither less nor too much, which can complicate the funding later. Also, seen many friends who gave suggestion for 1000 packets. Maybe for the package we agree on 1000 packets. And continue, our next subject is the price of the package, which rather this price can be used to achieve funding. Well, just go straight if anyone wants to give advice.
Okay, I think opinion. I with 40,000 rupiah contain rice 1.5 kilogram eggs, 1 kilogram sugar, half kilogram cooking oil, and tea is better because it can reduce the cost we spend and adjust to the fund we have.
Okay, maybe using a lower cost packet can also increase the number of packets that can be made. It will make it easier for you to meet the target number of packets to be distributed. Besides that, we don't know the amount of funds we have. So to be safe, it's better to use a more affordable package.
Yes, buying directly, we can make it easier for people who receive it so there is no need to buy again and it can be used for other activities.
I think to give 50,000 in cash so they can buy what they need according to their needs. For example, buying children's school supplies for offline learning or the need to pay off some debt.
I think giving 50,000 can also be done and is more efficient in this condition. The money received can also be used to buy the desired needs as stated by Aksan.
I disagree with giving money because if we want to giving money, uh, we should giving more than 50,000. I think 50,000 is not enough uh, for them, and I think we can give another things that more useful for the next few days. So I disagree if we giving money.
Yeah, it seemed enough with the package. No need to give money again.
In my opinion, giving money becomes ineffective. What Mate say is true. We can give more is needed more.
When view from the number of packets, there are also many. Therefore, the units package price is kept to a minimum so that the number of packets to be distributed remains rich. So if you have two opinions, 40,000 rupiah and 50,000 rupiah, then we just for 40,000 rupiah. Okay, the package price issue has been resolved. Straight to the next point is the issue of funding. So I have some suggestion if you really agree. Maybe funding problems can be through fundraising, sales results, or looking for donor or sponsor. Maybe if you have any other alternative suggestion can be put forward.
What if we make fundraising and also sells any food and beverage for fund this bazaar? We can sell any snack and soft drinks.
I also agree with Faiz. We can sell food and drinks in there because selling food and drink look pretty easy.
I agree with Faiz. By selling, not only helps meet the needs of the community in the forms of social service, but also participate in helping smart enterprise. That way, all people can feel the benefit of the social service programs.
I agree with Faiz's opinion because apart from fundraising, we can also do business by selling food and drink, the process of which can finance the bazaar.
Yeah, what Faiz, Erlangga, Ahsan, and the says is true, and I agree with that. So yeah, I agree with them.
What about we look for a sponsor? Sponsor? There must be a lot of parties who always want to help with sponsor.
In my opinion, looking for sponsor is better because we are doing fundraising. If we are looking for sponsor, we can give something to the sponsor according to the agreement, and we don't need to do fundraising.
For funding it seems I am more inclined to look for sponsor. Maybe with sponsor can make it easier for us to meet the need of the goods that we will use in the bazaar.
Sponsor can be a good idea. We can make a hybrid method between fundraising and sponsor so that can be more efficient. So that we don't just sit idly by others without doing anything. Does anyone want to give other opinion?
I agree with Faiz that when the fund generate will be more and for prevention, if the fund from fundraising do not more meet, it can be fulfilled with fund from sponsor and vice versa.
After this discussion, we can make proposals that we can submit to the sponsor, and for the fundraising, we can make it in kitabisa.com.
Good idea from Faiz earlier. Indeed, from the number of packets and the price of the package, it will take a lot of funds. So fundraising and finding sponsor is the best way. So after this, we can from a special team to handle funding problems. Arriving at the last discussion is the issue of debt. From you, does anyone want to suggest a debt that doesn't interfere with the lecturer process as well?
I think the bazar can be held after the mid-semester exam, so it doesn't interfere with mid-semester exam and we can focus on the bazar.
For the date, I will not comment, but for the day, I suggest Sunday, so as not to disturb the work time of the recipients of the packets. Sunday is a holiday.
I think the bazaar can be held after the middle of the semester and on Sundays or holidays, like Gilang and Rosie said.
Yeah, yeah, it's true. We should see our condition, so when we held the buzzer, we not uh, disturb our college. And for the day, I agree with Rosie, and maybe if not Sunday, we can held in what is it, weekend, or we can held in weekend. Yeah.
I agree with Abid, so as not to be distracted by the exams and have plenty of time to prepare for the bazaar.
Yes, I agree like Rosie. It's better for this bazaar to be held on Sunday because on Sunday everyone is at home and there are no other activity.
If it is done after the mid-semester test, then what about December 12? Because the fundraising process also takes a long time.
Uh, December 12th. Sure, I agree with that because we need we need time to prepare our event, so we can so our event can held so successfully. So yeah, I agree if we held our event in December 12th.
Okay, I agree if the bazar is we held on December 12th.
Okay, for the that is over. Any addition from the others, suggestion or criticism? Okay, good. For the that we agree on December 12th, and we have finished the subjects with and here is the results. I think that's enough meeting this morning from me personally. I apologize if there are mistake. Good morning and thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Morning. Good